In the fast-paced world we inhabit, stress and anxiety have become all too common. Our lives are brimming with deadlines, responsibilities, and a constant digitized flurry that leaves little room for peace. This relentless hustle can lead to stress and anxiety, invisible foes that chip away at our health and well-being. In fact, the World Health Organization estimates that globally, over 260 million people grapple with anxiety disorders. And let's not forget, chronic stress is a silent contributor to several health complications, from heart disease to mental health issues. The numbers are daunting and the impact significant, but fear not, as we explore the soothing world of herbal remedies, we'll discover natural ways to combat these invisible foes. From the calming scent of lavender to the relaxing brew of chamomile, we'll delve into nature's own stress busters. So let's embark on this journey towards tranquility and better health. Before we delve into remedies, it's crucial to understand what we're dealing with. Stress and anxiety, although often used interchangeably, are not the same. Stress is a response to a threat in a situation, while anxiety is a reaction to the stress. Whether it's an impending deadline or worrying about uncertain outcomes, both stress and anxiety are common experiences that can range from occasional to long-lasting. But let's be clear, not all stress is bad. Acute stress can actually help us navigate challenging situations. It's when stress becomes chronic, persisting even when the threat is gone, that it becomes a problem. Chronic stress can lead to a host of health issues, from headaches and sleep disorders to more serious conditions like depression and heart disease. Anxiety, on the other hand, is characterized by persistent, excessive worries that don't go away even in the absence of a stressor. It's like a constant hum in the background, casting a shadow over everyday life. Now that we've established the problems, let's delve into the solutions. Ever notice the calming effect of lavender's scent? That's no coincidence. Lavender, a vibrant purple blossom, is known for its soothing aroma that can work wonders on our nervous system. This humble herb possesses anxiolytic properties, meaning it can help reduce anxiety and induce a sense of tranquility. In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, stress often creeps in, but lavender's calming scent can be a gentle reminder to pause, breathe, and reset. It's like having a personal oasis of peace right in your pocket. You can enjoy the benefits of lavender in various forms, from essential oils diffused in your living space to a warm, comforting cup of lavender tea. However, as with any remedy, it's essential to be mindful of potential side effects. Though rare, some people may experience skin irritation from topical use or gastrointestinal issues when consumed in high quantities. So the next time you're feeling anxious, remember the soothing power of lavender. Tea time can be a stress buster, especially with chamomile in your cup. The dainty chamomile flower, native to Western Europe, India, and Asia, is renowned for its calming and therapeutic properties. This wonder herb has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to soothe nerves and promote relaxation, making it an ideal natural remedy for stress and anxiety. Imagine brewing a warm cup of chamomile tea, the subtle floral aroma wafting through the air, inviting you to take a soothing sip. The process itself is therapeutic, isn't it? Making chamomile tea is simple. Just steep dried chamomile flowers in hot water for about 5 minutes, strain, and enjoy. You could also opt for readily available chamomile tea bags for a quick brew. While chamomile is considered safe for most people, it may cause an allergic reaction in some, especially those allergic to daisies or chrysanthemums. Pregnant or nursing women should also consult their healthcare provider before consuming chamomile tea. Brew a cup of chamomile, sit back, and let the stress melt away. Ever heard of valerian root? This plant might be a game changer for your anxiety. Valerian root has been used for centuries as a herbal remedy due to its impressive sedative effects. This plant is a natural way to help you unwind, relax, and prepare for a good night's sleep. Now, you might be wondering how to use this wonder herb. There are several ways to incorporate valerian root into your routine. One of the most popular methods is to prepare it as a tea. Simply steep the root in hot water, strain, and enjoy a calming cup before bedtime. However, as with any herbal remedy, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects. Some people may experience drowsiness or even mild stomach upset. Always start with a small dose to see how your body reacts. For a natural route to tranquility, consider valerian root. Passion flower, a beautiful plant with an equally impressive knack for reducing anxiety. Passion flower, also known as Passiflora incarnata, has been used for centuries for its calming and sleep-inducing properties. This vibrant plant, native to the Americas, is known to help decrease anxiety and promote a good night's sleep. Indeed, it's not just the beauty of the passion flower that's captivating, but also its potential health benefits. The plant's extract can be used to make a soothing tea or tincture. To prepare, simply steep dried passion flower in hot water for about 10 minutes, strain, and your calming brew is ready. It's important, however, to remember that while passion flower can be an effective sleep aid, it may have potential side effects. These might include drowsiness, dizziness, or confusion. Like any herbal remedy, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting a new regimen. With passion flower, a peaceful night's sleep is just a sip away. When life gives you lemons, make lemon balm tea. This adage holds true for our next calming herb, lemon balm. A member of the mint family, lemon balm or Melissa officinalis, has been used since the Middle Ages to reduce stress and anxiety, promote sleep, and improve appetite. Its calming properties are attributed to chemicals called terpenes that interact with certain brain receptors, inducing a sense of relaxation. To harness these benefits, you can steep dried lemon balm leaves in hot water for a soothing tea. Alternatively, lemon balm essential oil can be diffused for a calming ambiance. However, like all herbal remedies, it's important to note potential side effects. While generally safe, excessive consumption can lead to nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, dizziness, and wheezing. Always remember to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new herbal regimen. Turn to lemon balm for a refreshing, calming break from stress. From the Ayurvedic medicine cabinet, meet ashwagandha, a powerful stress buster. This ancient herb, known scientifically as Withania somnifera, has been revered for centuries for its stress-relieving properties. Ashwagandha works by reducing the levels of the stress hormone cortisol in the body, helping you feel more balanced and calm. You can incorporate ashwagandha into your daily routine in many ways. It's readily available in powder form, which you can mix into a warm cup of milk or tea. Or, you can find it in capsule form for a quick and easy supplement. But remember, while ashwagandha is generally safe for most people, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new herbal regimen. Some may experience mild side effects like upset stomach or drowsiness. In the end, ashwagandha proves that nature has its own potent pharmacy. Harness its power and let it guide you towards a more peaceful and stress-free life. Rhodiola, an adaptogenic herb, helps your body adapt to stress. Now, isn't that something we all need in today's fast-paced world? Rhodiola, with its peculiar adaptogenic properties, is truly a game-changer in managing stress. But what does being an adaptogen mean, you ask? It's simple. Adaptogens like rhodiola help our bodies to adjust and react to stress more efficiently. This powerful herb, native to the cold regions of Europe and Asia, can be consumed in several ways, including as a supplement or an extract. But remember, it's not a magic pill to eradicate stress, rather a natural aid to help your body handle it better. Like all good things, rhodiola too should be used wisely. While it's generally safe for most people, some might experience dry mouth or dizziness. As always, it's recommended to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it's the right choice for you. Rhodiola shows us that sometimes the best defense is a good adaptation. We've traversed the herbal landscape, now let's recap. We've explored a variety of nature's offerings, each with unique properties to help alleviate stress and anxiety. Lavender, with its calming aroma, soothes our senses, while chamomile, a gentle brew, relaxes us. Valerian root acts as a natural sedative, aiding in anxiety management. Passion flower, a floral sleep aid, reduces anxiety and improves sleep patterns. Lemon balm, a calming herb, can be used as a tea or essential oil. Ashwagandha is a potent stress buster, available in various forms such as powder or capsules. Lastly, we have rhodiola, an adaptogen that helps our body adapt to stress. Each of these herbs offers potential benefits, but remember, they are not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any herbal regimen to discuss dosages and potential side effects. Remember, these herbal remedies are your allies in the battle against stress and anxiety. As we conclude our journey, remember that the path to mental well-being is multifaceted. These herbal remedies, while potent in their own right, are but a single aspect of a balanced lifestyle. It's essential to remember that our diet, exercise, and sleep play a pivotal role in maintaining our mental health. Incorporating nutrient-rich foods, regular physical activity, and adequate rest into your routine can significantly amplify the effects of these natural remedies. Remember, it's not about replacing one thing with another, but about creating a harmonious blend of habits that serve your well-being. It's about understanding your needs and respecting the signals your body sends you. And above all, It's about giving yourself the kindness, patience, and care you deserve in your pursuit of a stress-free life. Thank you for joining us in exploring these natural paths to peace. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness insights. Until next time, stay calm and stay healthy.